www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2005 Dodge Ram 3500 SLT Leather Crew Cab Dually 5.9L Cummins Diesel with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Premium Infinity Sound, Power Leather Seating, CD Player, Keyless Entry, Alarm, Chrome Nerf Bars, Bed Liner, Towing Package, Power Windows, Power Door Locks, and Power Mirrors. Simply put, this Cummins Dually is one powerful machine, ready and willing to shrink your to-do lists. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks.